Good day everyone, I am Diana Jane Reyes from BSIS 3A and today I will be presenting my midterm project about a customer relationship management CRM system. Introduction to the customer relationship management CRM system. The customer relationship management CRM system is a software solution is designed to help organizations efficiently manage their interaction and relationship with current and potential customers. It serves as a centralized platform that integrates customer data, communication history, sales activities, and service record, enabling business to build stronger customer connection and improve overall satisfaction. In today's competitive business environment, maintaining positive relationship with customer is essential for long-term success. Traditional methods of tracking customer information through spreadsheets or manual record often lead to inefficiencies, data loss, and poor communication. The CRM system addresses this challenges by automating customer management process and providing real-time access to accurate and organized information. This system enables business to store detailed customer profiles, track inquiries, monitor sales progress, and analyze customer behavior. It also supports marketing campaigns, service management, and performance tracking, helping organizations understand customer needs and tailor their service accordingly. BPMN, the BPMN of Customer Relationship Management System. The Customer Relationship System BPMN show the step-by-step process of how different user interact with the system. Sales or customer service staff can create and update customer records, view customer information, log communication interaction notes, and update lead statuses. They can also delete duplicate or erroneous record to ensure data accuracy. Managers or supervisor can view customer records and interaction history to monitor performance. They can assign or reassign lead to staff member and generate summary reports to track progress and team productivity. System administrators are the responsible for managing the overall configuration of the CRM system. They can create, update, or delete user er, user account, manage staff access, configure leads stages, set customer categories, and establish system access rules. They also ensure that invalid or task customer records are deleted to maintain a clean and accurate database. ERD of Customer Relationship Management CRM system. The Customer Relationship Management CRM system Entity Relationship Diagram ERD illustrate how various data entities are connected with the system. The customer entities store essential client details as name, contact information, address, and status. Each customer can have multiple leads which are tracked in the lead entity containing information like date, notes, and assigned staff. The interaction log records all communication or activities between staff and customer. It links both customer and staff entities, ensuring that every interaction is properly documented. The staff entity keeps track of employees' details such as name, role, and email, and is connected to the account entity that store login credential and account creation. The category entity classify leads or out customer into specific group, while the system rules entity defines user permission and access control within the CRM. Together, these entities support an organization data structure that enable accurate tracking of customer relationship, staff activities, and system operations. Thank you for listening.